Food she likes to eat is...
Hello guys! Welcome back to Team Injalipins
channel!
Ayan, so we are here in Sofitel Hotel.
Yes, and we checked in and tomorrow it's for one night. This entire Sofitel event is sponsored by Sofitel.
Yes, that's
And
true.
we are going to do our gender reveal. We are going to have a Q&A session.
Yes.
Probably we will go live in, after some time. Let's get into it, you know.
Yeah, let's get into it because
It's really purely we are blessed to
Yes.
tell you guys to have this experience at Sofitel, and it's beautiful, guys. It's amazing, you know. You can see the blue open sea out of the window, you know. I
That's
was
true.
telling her, you know, I could get used to it every day.
yes. What they gave us is a luxury room,
Yeah,
which you can see the outside view, the city view. What do you call it?
they call it the king room.
King room. Yeah, so
Yeah.
nice, guys. Even Chuchay, she's amazed of whatever is inside the room. We are still inside the room and she's already like, oh my God, this is like heaven. What more if we go outside, check the swimming pool and
Yeah.
all the facilities.
Yes.
Okay guys, so now it's our story time since most of you guys are really, tawag dito, they are really eager to know baby this pregnancy, no? Like, so many questions, like, what are your cravings? So my baby will tell the story first.
So guys, I know many of you have heard this before and I will say it again. That is, we never really expected this pregnancy, but we wanted another child because of my daughter, our daughter, and then she was playing alone. We were very sad to see her play alone, and especially her father was always saying that, why don't you guys have one more child and all that. So we call this child a ninja samurai.
Yes, Ninja
Because-
Samurai.
Because we tried to test a couple of times and again we tried to test, and it's always negative.
That's true.
And as per the doctor, she was pregnant since August. So it's so weird, you guys, you know. I'm sure this kid is going to be really interesting.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. So before we get into gender reveal, we would like to thank a lot of our friends, and we would like to answer a couple of the questions. And I would say from Miss
Melinda. Yes.
Miss Melinda Dayo was asking about what kind of food she likes to eat.
Yes.
I believe that's a question, right?
Yeah.
Food she likes to eat is soya sauce, fried fish, small fried fish.
Yeah, the dilis, guys.
Yeah, the dilis and soya sauce. That's what she keeps eating all the time.
Yeah.
And even if just with rice and soya sauce, she keeps on eating it. And I'm the one who's telling her that, hey, you should eat something nice. You should eat something good. You know.
Yeah.
You should eat something healthy. And
Yeah, but I really love, this time I really love, what do you call this one? Soy sauce with lime.
yeah, sure.
It's too much. Even he makes curry, like he will make mutton curry. I always dip in soy sauce and then eat with rice.
She was so much into soy sauce, and trust me guys, I always cook Indian food. I try to feed her Indian food and I want to make her a fan of Indian food, but it's not really happening in this pregnancy. So I even tried to learn pancit and I cooked pancit for her.
That's nice.
Maybe
pancit.
someday we'll make a vlog to show you guys how I cook pancit. So
That's true.
maybe another time. And what else?
And when I started my first trimester, it was really hard, guys. So I had a really tough time.
Yes.
Right? When I figured out that I'm pregnant, we were in Dubai. So I remember I used to eat fruits. Right now, maybe?
Yeah.
Apple, orange, and all the fruits I eat, I always put.
Salt.
Yeah.
Thank God it doesn't taste good with vinegar.
I
fruits don't taste nice with vinegar, otherwise she would have pickled it in vinegar and eaten it. I wonder how it will taste if you pickle it.
Yeah, I don't know, but whatever it is, guys, I remember Daddy, my father-in-law. I used to sit with him and then I will take whatever fruits and then I will put salt. And he's looking at me. Oh my God, too much salt.
Yeah, so she was into a lot of salt, and it's not really advised in pregnancy to have too much salt, but she was. And very interestingly, we went to the doctor, and once we knew that she's positive, the doctor said that you stay off caffeine, stay off coffee. And then I said she drinks coffee every week when we go to the Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
I hope you guys seen that video. We went to Indian restaurant and tried puri bhaji and filter coffee, and she drinks. And the doctor feels bad for her and says that it's okay, you can have some coffee sometimes. And I was like, what is this? The doctor is like a partner in crime. So
she said every day you can have one glass.
what? She didn't say every day. So
Every
guys,
day.
this is what's happening. Every day she's drinking coffee, and I don't know. She's put a little just to taste. I think I don't know what she's up to. Probably the child will come out, and instead of having milk, she'll have coffee. But then, yeah, the doctor said you can have very little coffee if you really want it. So I think only Indian doctors will say all that.
Yeah, maybe.
So what else? You should tell what is your journey in this pregnancy.
This journey is really tough, guys. So compared to Chuchay, when I was pregnant to Chuchay, it was very smooth. I was working till 9 months, right? Until 9 months, I'm working in the office. It's okay. There is dizziness. First trimester, I have vomiting, but then it's not worse. For this pregnancy, it's really hard, guys. You can ask him. Like whatever he gave me, I cannot eat.
Yeah, she's not eating. Even I feel very bad because I really don't know what she wants to eat, and she keeps on eating all noodles, and then I
Yeah.
keep telling her you have some
Because noodles.
omelette or bullseye or something,
I cannot really eat I cannot really eat like you remember, guys, we went to Rixos with his family, Rixos Hotel in Ras Al Khaimah. That time all the food are very nice, buffet. It's a really nice stay, 3 days and 2 nighs. And oh my God, guys, I didn't enjoy so much because of this situation, no?
Yeah.
I really cannot eat whatever baby is giving me. So in the buffet, he used to take food. Baby will take food, and then baby, you need to try. Before, when I was not pregnant, whatever he will bring, I will taste it. But that time, he's just coming, I can already smell. No, baby?
Yeah.
Naaamoy ko na. It's like, I feel, I don't know, baho like that. For me, it's baho.
By the way, guys, I'm still not used to being called baby. When she says baby, I was thinking, she calling someone else. Sometimes she calls Chuchay baby, and I look, if she's calling me baby.
Yeah. Because he is my forever baby.
So anyways,
Chuchay singing
it's
song.
baby is better than honey, I think. What do you say?
Yeah, I think so.
Honey is better or baby is better? Because I've heard a lot of couples saying honey.
Honey, but
Hey honey.
I don't know, babe. See, I always call him baby. I cannot. If it is honey, maybe that is a different person.
So, what else? What do you want to say?
So, this pregnancy, guys, it's really tough. Until now, sometimes if I eat so much, this one also, too much gas. Ayan, dati kay Chuchay, before.
Utut!
Yeah, no! It's hard to, ang sakit ng tiyan ko, it hurts away, I have pain, I feel bloated, tapos, basta, the gas is worse. When I was pregnant with Chuchay, it's nothing, it's not like that. It's perfectly fine, but this time, no? Too much burping, too much utot. Too much utot.
Chuchay say utut!
Say utot! Utot! So, ayun guys. What else, baby? I think he is the one who is having hard time for me. because now this time I'm really hard to manage, right?
So guys, I was thinking of going through a diet, but then I cannot do it because if I stop eating, she will not eat properly. So we eat like maniacs. So most of the people are saying that you still look slim. A couple of people said that she looks slim. Yes, she does look slim, but she's eating a lot. And I don't know, maybe this baby is eating a lot of her food or what is happening, God knows.
Yeah, I think the baby is very
Even
heavy.
my mother was saying that maybe she's getting a bit slim or something, you know.
Yeah. But actually, the first trimester, I was 62. Then I go back to 61. Yeah, I lost weight because of this. I cannot eat properly. So let's do something. Let's go.
Do one shout out.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the people. And we are sorry if we missed out anybody. Couple of our viewers and friends. I mean, nowadays all of our viewers are our friends.
That's true.
So, thank you, Jen Takar.
Jen Takar, hello, Filipino-Indian also, they are.
Thank you, Rosemary,
Rosemary,
Sari Loreen,
Zari Lorin,
Felisa Tamayo,
Felisa Tamayo,
Ann Mishka,
and Mishka.
Narielwala Family Vlogs.
Narielwala Family Vlogs. By the way, si Ate Net, she actually pampered me when she figured out that I'm pregnant. Nawala, the video is gone. You know what happened? She sent us lechon, guys.
Yeah, so first time I had lechon, we had a video made for it. I don't know what happened.
What it's the SD got, yeah, it's erased.
Yeah.
So ayun guys, thank you Ate Net. She always pamper me too much. She ordered so many food guys, Shanghai, lechon, so many food. Ayun, so thank you so much Ate Net for the
Thank you so much.
that lechon. Baby also love it so much, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sana Family Vlogs.
Yeah, Sana Family Vlogs.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you for the video. Beautiful, you guys. Thank you for the support.
That's
Amores Rafael Vlogs.
Amores Rafael Vlogs.
Wani Sampat.
Vanji Sampat.
Neo Espedes.
Neo Espedes.
Smile KLR.
Smile KLR.
MPTV Arana.
MPTV Arana.
Dolly Vlog.
Dolly Vlog.
Cyril Mitch.
Zyril Mitch.
Yula Aisel Aritao.
Yula Aisel Aritao. Ayan, hello Mars. Hello.
Christina Grumea.
Christina Dromea.
Shaylin Tinu.
Shaylin Tino.
And Zelmina.
Zelmina. Ayan guys, so what we will do is, this is different vlog and I hope you can still wait for our gender reveal. It's still here in Sofitel. We will do the gender reveal. So for this vlog especially only for the question and answer. And please watch the gender reveal. Wag na wag nyo kakalimutan because that is the most awaited. So for this one, this comment section, alam nyo na, please comment down below what do you think is the gender of our child. So there's so many people say that it's a girl because I look blooming, I look beautiful. So ayun guys, so please, what they need to do, baby?
Please share, tell your friends, request you all to support us. Your motivation helps us to keep blogging and we'll cherish these memories till we die.
So,
Subscribe and
subscribe.
share.
Ayan na. So, ayun na, comment nyo na din, boy or girl.